Today we make what was supposed to happen in 2020. Make post-apocalyptic truck. Apocalyptic truck. Apocalyptus truck. Ectacalyptus. Like big PP high energy truck. Super vibey dubstep. I'm not making future bass anymore. These emotional things are just like pathetic and like cringe. It's just like weak. Why are you weak? Don't be weak. Be a day. So, apocalyptic tracks today we're making. We can duplicate the same thing here, and in this case, a different thing, maybe a pad. Maybe use the third of the chord. Okay, this is pretty good. Cut the low end. Put some reverb on it. Duplicate that once again. Change it to like a infinite. Disperser. We get that like kind of thing. It's kind of cool. Why not? 6 dispersers, hell yeah. For like some tension, you know? I need this to be beefy. So I'm gonna make this actually longer. Add utility, show automation, do this. So let's resample one hit. See, this is like weird. We can add that on top. So we can hear like there's like I want only transient. Oh, see, without and with. Impact, sweep. Okay, we can take that here actually. Put some claps. Okay, but we are still working on this one. So let's find like a violin maybe. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, this is some violin effect that I made, it seems like. Oh, that's sick pad in the background. Like adding some pads in the background like this gives a lot of goodness. A lot of goodness, but as you can see, this is more like a transition element and it goes up in volume later. So I wanna, right here, I wanna compress it. So I'm boosting the frequencies that give that cool vibe. So it's not the same. It sounds more like a vocal. Let's just add a little altar boy. Let's work on this intro still. So like in intro, maybe not use the whole thing, but just like kind of like chop it up. Yeah, okay, so we need to like duplicate that, I guess. And add this thing here. Okay, so because we have these strings kind of thing, I think putting rain here would be a good idea. Why is it dark now? Why are you crazy? Like this one. So I need like a really deep like so it adds some tension. Yeah, like this, like I think it's gonna work. Yeah. So I need only this. I don't need the high end here. Need only like the low end. Okay, this is getting interesting. We need like the instrument that gives constant tension that is also sounds like it is burning. That may be challenging a bit. I mean, what the hell am I talking about? I literally made this already. It's gonna be challenging is just like pulling this up from the project. So this is what I'm looking for. Basically, it's strings, ODT, EQ, reverb, and secret sauce. And some pop filtering, and it creates this thing, which is like exactly what I'm looking for. I only need this like maybe we can change this bass for this one. Maybe this one. Like we need a couple of things. We're gonna take this vocal, like we're gonna connect some things in order to make a build up. Okay, that's fine. And now we go here, clip, transposition, and we go up. So we get this high frequency clean riser. Now we get this one. This is like a mid frequency. Gonna do the same thing. Let's go with textures also. So we need to automate this. We need thermal on it, make this beefy. Yeah, this is my favorite preset recently. Like you add just like 20%, 30, and you get some like width, beefiness. Okay, so cool thing, add a reverb on it. So we need the white noise as well. Oh, that's like a machine gun. So here's gonna be the drop. Okay, so now we need the transition. Okay, so we need the beefy bass. Consolidation. This is taking so long. I'm just gonna like open Serum, pick some presets, and like design like a drop. So now is the moment that I have no idea what I'm doing, but I hope that I'll figure out something. So here goes like, but then Here we get like more of more body. This is a cool background layer. So let's do another one. So what's cool about this is this hyperdimension. It kicks in because it's being automated with this one. So when it stops, like the envelope goes down, the mix goes up. Okay, let's automate that. This is kind of cool actually. We can layer that with like a chant. Like da, da, da. Okay. So we go by 2 here. I'm gonna duplicate that in case, I mean, for some variation. The riser is kind of cringe, but hey, it's fine. So, yeah, it should be like this, and this part should be filled with a different. Yeah, this is how this should be. This should be at the end. No, this is good, but I need to fill this space here. Instead of this. Take a listen to the whole thing. Okay, that's pretty good. So basically, there's gonna be really good big stuff happening soon at my SoundCloud. So if you wanna stay tuned, make sure to sidechain the follow button. It has to be sidechain because otherwise the kick won't get through the mix. Have a nice day and check out the sample packs. Let me know if I have to finish it or not. You decide. It's up to you. My destiny in your hands. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sidechain that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.